good, YouTube? It's your boy Red Key TV back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Look, we're gonna make this super sweet, super simple. I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. Functional key fob, go ahead and get your old key fobs and turn them into red keys. Super simple, anybody can do it. Basically, you only need like 2 utensils. I got a butter knife here and something that I can pick at, and I'll show you exactly to break the little plastic piece that you need. But it's super simple. This is my old Hellcat key, and basically I went ahead and swapped one of the keys already and been walking around with this key, but I am gonna swap it in this video to my SRT keys. Got my package here, so go ahead and get that opened up, pull out my SRT keys. You can get these on eBay, different shops sell them, all different type of stuff. So I went ahead and ordered them off of eBay, and I think these cost me $55 a piece, but I've seen them cheaper than that. But these are actual red key SRT keys, and basically the only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the chips out of the original and we're gonna put them in these just to give it the red key look. All right, so this video is not gonna be for everybody. Some people, you're up badge and I don't care. I don't care what you got to say. I know too much about these Dodges, and I could argue the up badge with the best of them. But hey, as long as you don't care what people think or what people say about you, this is your own build, your own thing. You can do it or don't. I just really like the red keys, and that's why I went ahead and got me SRT keys, because everything on my car says SRT already on my Swinger, basically. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, guys, so you're basically gonna take your stock key, and you can practice with the red key first if you want to, just in case you're worried about messing something up. I've done it already, so I'll just start on this one. And go ahead and hit that clip in the back, take that key out, and remember your key, because you're gonna put that back with the new one. These are gonna line up with everything. So I take my butter knife, and basically I get in these grooves right here, and I pry it apart just like I'm going to change the battery. So I just get a little bit of a groove in, generally starting where the little key part is with the butter knife, kind of start picking it apart and then going around. And you're opening it up same way you would if you were changing the battery. Now make sure you look at your indication of your battery, because you're gonna need to put it back that way. And basically there's the chip on the inside. It's basically just pressure, the clip being held, and this little bitty plastic piece in the corner. That's where this comes in. So I just make sure that I don't scrape the chip, but basically I just hit that little plastic piece until I break it off. You can drill it. I just didn't want to take the chance of drilling on that chip. There's other ways. I wasn't going to apply heat to it. So this way worked for me. Kind of just hold it. Don't stab yourself in the hand, but you can hold it a certain way. And basically just keep putting a little bit of pressure. And it'll eventually snap. And then once that snaps, you can go ahead and get the chip out of there. So, and like I said, you can practice on the red key if it has a key fob, and boom, it just basically, that overlying piece snapped up out of there. So now this chip, I just kind of pick up on the side of it a little bit in one of the grooves and take it up out of there, just like that. Grab it, pull it out. Come on. There it is. And then that is out. That's the front where your buttons are being pressed. You have the same lineup on all the red keys as the black keys. So when you put it back in, you're just gonna repeat this process on this red key. So just like I said, remember which one your actual spare is. So if you don't have a keychain or something on it, I pull these aside. Boom, over here. It's gonna line up like that, like right out. Just so you know, the red keys or the other one have the key on both sides, so you can do it, but it will still fit in there. So this is gonna be my actual new key, but let's go ahead and take that back off just in case you're looking at it and you're like, hey, that's on the other side. It's fine, and like I said, you just come in on that little corner And you pry these things open just like how you would change the battery. So make it super simple. Boom. It's already cracking open. Doesn't have a chip in this one. They've already been removed. It's just the shell. So now I take my chip and I place it in, line it up in that same little hole. You place that in there, nice and snug. And then you take your battery over. Make sure it goes ahead and clips in. Pressed it, had a little bitty pop, and it's in there. So there's the red key. Go ahead and look at your battery, the indication for it. I believe that is the negative side that's poking up. So positive side down. Bubbles. That's my daughter in the background yelling for bubbles. Go ahead and put that battery in there. And then you can re-clip it back together, line it up. Go ahead and push it all the way. Boom, boom, boom. And throw this in here. All right. So let's go see if it works. All right, guys, just came out to my garage where the car is parked. You can see this is my SRT key. This is it right here. Press it, boom. That unlocks, locks. Go ahead and pop that trunk. Make sure everything's working on it. And it won't be a cold start, but the last function, we'll go ahead and come over here and double tap it. So crank it up. Double tap to stop. Panic button. Everything works on here, man. And boom, like I said, it's just that simple. Beautiful red SRT key. So both of my keys will be changed. I'm gonna go change my Hellcat key to the SRT key. I'm just gonna switch it out so I have 2 SRT keys. And that's how you turn your black key into a red key. All right, y'all, that's how you change your black key that you got to red keys, as y'all can see. The SRT keys that we got here. There go my little one that wants to get all up in the camera. Say hi, Jordan. She's not gonna say hi. But all right, man, until next time, I'm out.